seasoned some cowfoot the way my Jamaican auntie taught me, and I let it marinate for several hours. I've now returned to start cooking it the way she taught me, so let's get started. But since the cowfoot was marinating for several hours, I didn't add the onions, as I didn't want them to get soggy. I normally don't even add onions and such to meats until later in the cooking process, as I don't like them overcooked. But since it's cowfoot, it's a different story. So I'm going to add the onions. I can even throw some in the pot. In the pot, not on the floor. And then I'll start cooking. Okay, so I started cooking my cowfoot about an hour ago, but it hasn't softened up yet. It's still pretty tough. Which is the point I was making about cowfoot taking longer to cook than many meats. So I'm just going to keep cooking it until it starts softening up. And that's when I'll add the peppers. Okay, while I'm waiting for the cowfoot to cook more and soften, I'm slicing the peppers. I like to slice them like this, but of course, you slice your peppers the way you like to. And just so you see, I am slicing them on my Jamaican flag map cutting board. You can get yours if you just go to the link in the comment box. It's pinned in the comment section. Okay, so the cowfoot is now at a good cooking softening texture. So I'm going to add the peppers because like I said before, if I had added them from the beginning, they'd be way, way, way too overcooked. Okay, so now I'm just going to let the cowfoot cook down until it is fully cooked. And that should not be too long from now. Okay, so my Jamaican cowfoot is finally ready. Took about 2 hours to cook, but it's nice and soft and tasty, making it well worth the wait. I remember my Jamaican auntie sitting at her table enjoying her cowfoot, and now, thanks to her, I can do the same with mine. Thanks, Auntie! And thank you for visiting my YouTube channel on how I cook Jamaican cowfoot. Please like and subscribe. I linked the video on my preparing it if you need to go back to see it. I hope you try it and like it. I hope you return, as by God's grace, I'll be returning with more Jamaican cooking and other aspects of high-better Jamaican-American art. Till next time!